Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to build our very first smart home project using RemoteXY, a Wi-Fi controlled light switch. So you can turn your lights on or off using just your smartphone. If you are just getting started with IoT or Arduino, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Let's jump in. Here's what you will need for this project: an ESP32 and adapter board, a relay module to control the light safely, a simple AC light bulb and lamp holder for testing, some jumper wires, the RemoteXY mobile app, and the Arduino IDE on your computer. See the description below for links to these items. Let's wire it up. Connect VCC and GND on the relay to the 5V and GND on your ESP32. You can use Node MCU or any ESP8266 board brand. Connect the in pin on the relay to the pin 14 of the ESP32. Then wire your lamp holder through the relay as if it's a simple switch. Be extra careful when using the AC power for the light. Now let's head over to remotexy.com and open the online editor. From the Properties tab, expand Configuration. Select Bluetooth connection. For the ESP32, you could leave the Bluetooth option for the integrated Bluetooth, but I will choose Wi-Fi access point for this demonstration. Select the board choice by core and choose the ESP32 based board. Select module and integrated Wi-Fi, which would have been integrated Bluetooth if it was earlier chosen, and then the Arduino IDE. Expand settings. Input the device name as light switch and the device access password if desired. You can change the Wi-Fi SSID and password, but I'll go with the default without a password by checking open point. The port number should stay as it is. Expand view and choose a background you like. The screen format will allow you to play with different screen sizes, horizontal or vertical. The Pages option will allow you to expand your smart home project to include more devices. But for now, let's head on to the Elements tab and drag a button from the Controls option onto the canvas. This brings up the Element option in the Property tab, where you can change the shape of the button, the border style, and the color. In the Text field, name the button Light Switch and change the text to your desired color. Assign pin 14 to the button and adjust it to your required size. Then click Get Source Code and boom, RemoteXY generates the Arduino code for you to copy. Open your Arduino IDE and paste the code from RemoteXY. Here is what to do next to install the ESP32 board. Head on to the Board Manager tab on the left, search for and install the ESP32 board. Also search for and install the RemoteXY library from the Library Manager. I am going to search and select the ESP32 dev module from here and choose the correct COM port. Hit Upload. Download RemoteXY from App Store, App Gallery, or Google Play on your phone. Make sure your phone Wi-Fi is on and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Choose and select the Wi-Fi point and search for the Wi-Fi SSID you imputed in the RemoteXY editor. You should now see your button. When you press and hold down the button, your light should turn on and off when the button is released. How cool is that? Since it would make more sense for the light to remain on or off by a single switch action, let's change the switch type in the RemoteXY editor. Replace the button with a push switch or a switch defaulting to off. Adjust the switch element properties as desired and assign pin 14 to it. Then copy the code to the Arduino IDE and upload it to the ESP32 like before. You can also use this QR code to quickly connect to the ESP32 from the app. Whichever switch type you chose, you can now conveniently turn on and off the light. And that is it. Your first RemoteXY powered smart light switch. You just built your first IoT home automation project. No complex apps, no hard coding, just drag, drop, and go. You could increase the number of relays to operate more lights as desired by adding more switches in RemoteXY. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, we will level it up by looking at a compact Wi-Fi relay model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy automating!